Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to remove unwanted objects from a photo using Photoshop Express. Let's get started. First, open the app and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are in, tap on Photo Editor and choose the picture you want to fix. Once you are on your editing page, tap on Heal at the bottom of your screen. The Heal tool lets you remove objects by simply brushing over them. Using your finger, gently draw over the object you want to remove. Simply draw over any object you want to remove. Try to stay inside the lines. And don't rush, slow strokes works better. When you lift your finger, Photoshop Express will automatically blend the area with the background. If it does not look perfect the first time, that's okay. You can brush over the same point again until it looks clean. If you make a mistake, tap undo, tap on it and try again. Once you are happy with the result, tap the check mark to apply the changes. Finally, tap save or save to keep the edited photo on your iPhone. And that's it. You have successfully removed an object using Photoshop Express using an iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys liked this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.